Welcome to the last part of the Weekend Excellence 31. So this is about social media engagement analyzer project. So here we have to analyze which kind of posts are getting most traffic, most engagement, and are people mostly just liking or actually commenting on it. Just liking means just not interested. Commenting means they're actually interested in this. So we'll be checking that as well. And then uh, the post with many likes get many shares. That is the correlation we have to find out. If there are good number of likes, does those posts have good number of shares as well? You have to identify that also. So let's see the code. First, here we have the total number of post ID followed by the likes, comments, shares, all these stuff, and then we are loading it into the data frame. Then we have the analyze engagement. So here we have to analyze the total engagement is basically the likes, comments, plus shares. All these three things combined will give you the total engagement. So here we have to display the top five, the first 5 rows ka engagement. Then in this total engagement, then we have to display the post ID followed by total engagement. That is the top five. In the first five, my bad. Next, then we have the plot engagement composition. So here we have to find a plot a graph. So we have to find the plot engagement. So here we have to find the what we have to what do you call print the bar graph, stack bar chart. So there we have the figure size. Then we have the labels. That is layer 1 would be the likes on the base, and layer 2 is the comments. So then we have that. Then the bottom heights. So likes plus comments should be the total height of that particular chart. So we have the X label followed by the Y label, that is post ID, followed by the count, and then we are saving that as the engagement composition.png. Then we have the bubble chart. So here for this bubble chart, we have the x-axis, that is likes, y-axis is comments, and then size is shares. So here the the title is basically x label is likes, y label is the total comments, and the title has both likes versus comments, and then the file name is metrics relationship.png. Then we have the box plot. So this box plot, again here we have the melted box plot. So you have to reshape the data from white to long format. So from white we have to make it to long. So all the values include likes, comments, and shares. The variable name, variable metrics, and value name is count. And the size is also mentioned here. Then we have the box plot. SNS box plot. So here X is metric, Y is the count, and palette and all we already have discussed. Here we have the X label is metric type, and count. Then the engagement distribution, again we're storing it as engagement distribution.png. And finally, in the main function, we're calling all the the functions to plot the graph. And then if the total engagement is not found, if total engagement is not there, then we say please complete the analyzer engagement function. And if this is also not there, then we say please complete the data load data function. So first load data followed by the analyze engagement, and then we have to display the graphs. Alright, so you can see this is the first as this one load data function. So this is done, load data function. Then is the engagement summary, that is the top 5 post IDs with the total engagement, and then we have saved all 3 graphs. So let me open the graphs. So this is the metric relationship, that is the likes versus comments. So this is the likes and this is the comments. So actually you can see the highest number of likes has the highest number of comments, and so on. So it basically means more number of likes is almost proportional to number of comments. Then we have the engagement distribution. So you can see this, the engagement distribution, that is the types of metrics, that is likes, comments, and shares, and total number of counts. So count of the likes is highest number, followed by then the comments, and then the share is the lowest. Then we have the engagement composition. So here we have to check the total number of likes and comments and shares per post. So you can see this has the highest number of likes, comments, and shares, followed by this, and so on. So let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this. If you have any doubts, let me in the comments below. And yeah, the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. That's it for this weekend as well. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any doubts, let me in the comments below. And if you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef, and you can practice all these problems on the CodeChef platform. So give this a try. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.